It's been a long time since I've done this, so this is going to be really interesting to see. I think the bike I'm riding is probably older than most of the kids that are out here riding, but we're at Snow Summit here in Big Bear, and gonna try some downhill mountain biking. So that's my dinosaur. He's been with me for a very long time. Funny story about him actually is I got that as a present for my dad, and he didn't really think it was super funny, but I thought it was hilarious, so I took it back. Well, as with anything mechanical, we've had mechanical issues already. We're about an hour behind our planned time. We're gonna wait and see how this goes. So my other friends are getting their passes, and we're gonna head up. Try not to die. That's the crazy thing about adventure, though, that makes it fun, is that if you're not nervous, it's not as fun. And I know this is simple, but I'm just sharing with you guys because I always kind of felt like people that were really good at adventure and you know, just had it together, like they never got nervous. And then as I found out with people always get nervous beforehand, and that's part of the energy that you use to be good. So just sharing. So if you guys feel nervous before an adventure, even something simple like this, like, that's okay. It's what you do with it. That's the issue. So.
There we go. Oh no!
Well, just ate it.
Oh.
Smacked my pedal right into a rock. Did a little Superman action. That was painful, but hilarious.
He takes a lick and keeps on ticking. Yeah!
My dinosaur did come off though. I'm sad about that.